I'm here at the laundry slash crisp bar. I'll show you guys what the crisp bar looks like. That's the crisp bar. And they're doing some work on the power lines over here. And it's another beautiful day. As the trikes go by and the motorcycles. And this type of like golf cart over here. Actually a apartment for rent over here. And it's very, very close to the walking street. And we'll get the number for you. I was even thinking about this place myself. 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, and balcony. A bathroom. And good for 1 to 2 people. And look at this, guys. It has a Japanese restaurant. It's above a, like, these are the balconies over here. So looks pretty good. Oh, and a massage place over here. And this looks like the entrance. Why, this may be the massage place. Looks very nice though. I'm really curious how much these are. Oh, someone's coming down, so maybe I'll ask them. Hello, do you know how much these rooms are per month?
What's that?
Do you know how much these rooms go for per month?
This is not for rent.
Oh, this is a massage place.
Yeah, this is not a massage place.
Oh, okay.
This is not the one that's for rent. It's the other one.
Oh, these over here for
Yeah.
rent. Do you know how much these go for?
22.
22 pesos. 22k pesos per month.
Yeah.
Okay. Must be big inside.
It's fully furnished.
Oh, fully furnished. Okay, that's why, yeah. And it has a balcony and everything, guys. All right, thank you so much. Yep, and it's above a Japanese restaurant, so a little bit too expensive for me, so. But maybe you guys are interested. It's very close to the walking street. And there's some cookies right there. This right next to this place. It looks like a townhouse, actually. It's like an up and down townhouse. And this looks nice as well. Looks like it has its own carport over here. I feel like asking how much for these. Hey guys, is this a townhouse? Yeah, is this like up and down?
Yes, up and down.
How much would this go for per month? It's very nice.
26 months.
Oh, 26, that's not bad. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, 26 guys. So that's not bad for like an up and down townhouse. Yeah, so those places were a little bit pricey, but I think it's because it's very close proximity to the walking street. So right now we're on Teodora Street, and that's one of the streets that's super close to the walking street, and I think it's Theodora Street. So we're basically right here. That's one of the reasons why those places were going for so much. You probably get something cheaper if it's farther away, like maybe a 15-minute walk, 20 minutes. I wonder what this big building used to be with the net around it. Looks like it used to be some sort of hotel. Lots of massage girls across the street. All right, let's take a little walk down the Fields Avenue during the sunset. So maybe there's a lot more going on than the time that I usually walk at midnight. It actually looks very beautiful at this time. I'm going to get coconut water right now. Let's see if he's here. Sometimes he's not here. It looks like he's not here today. Yeah, he's not here today. Yeah, the Buko guy wasn't on that street that we usually go to, so we're gonna try this guy. We usually get it for 50 pesos, but we're gonna see how much this guy charges. Hello, how much is for 50 pesos? Can you do it for 50 peso each?
No, 25. No, 20, 25.
For
60 ano? Ano ganito? 60.
yeah, these guys are charging 60 pesos.
60 to. Buo. 60.
Oh. Can you do for 50?
Medyo 50.
Can you do the coconut water for 50 po?
Toto?
Yeah, two for 100 pesos.
Oh, dalawa sandaan. Sige, sir. Kano?
Okay, thank you.
60.
This is the place where the cookies are too, at nighttime. This is the new cookie spot. And there's lots of garbage back here, guys. As you can see. Lots of trash back here. The side of this place. Lots of coconut debris over there. And then it's like this used to be a money exchanger.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I just want to peek inside.
Huh?
Is there people that live over here?
No, nothing.
No? I'm just asking. I'm just curious. Is it? What does it look like?
Homeless is over there.
Oh, it's homeless in here? Let's see. Let's see.
You look, many homeless.
Oh, this is where the homeless is. Okay.
Yeah, seven family
Oh, 7 families.
living here. There.
Oh, okay. I don't see
And
anyone.
me.
And-
Like me. Why? You helping, homeless?
Yeah, but there's so much. How do you live in there?
Ah? Okay, sir.
How do you guys take a shower?
Terminal.
The terminal?
We are in the terminal.
Oh.
Always pay 30 in one takeaway. 30
Oh.
pesos. And then
30?
water is there.
30 pesos to take a shower.
Yeah.
Basically. And how long can you take a shower for?
10 minutes only.
Oh, 10 minutes only? Oh, okay. But you get hot water and everything, right? Do you get hot water or cold water? It's hot? Get hot water, yeah.
So, like me, I try to mag-igip. Alam mo yung mag-igip?
Mm-hmm.
For example, you want water, me give 20 pesos to
Yes.
a water, and you pay me.
So 7 families live here, huh? So and then you said that they're also making the train over here, right? So when they build the train, this might all be
And
gone.
then, you know, 7 families homeless. It's kawawa because no house, no money for rent another house, right?
Wallapera.
Yeah, no money.
Yeah,
The government not give a relocation.
yeah. So is Io Visayas or is
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
But here in Manila, I should say Tawan.
Towel?
Tawan.
Towel.
Tawan. Tawan.
Tawan? Okay. And are you from Manila or
I mean,
are you from around Pampanga? Okay. Do you go to the Pang Pang market? Do you go to the Pang market?
I don't know.
The wet market. Down.
Yeah. Not
down-
really.
No? So how do you buy fruits and vegetables?
Sometimes only.
Sometimes?
I prefer buying lemonade. There.
Lemonade over there?
Yeah.
Oh, the one for 60 pesos?
50.
Oh yeah, the lemonade is 50. The mango shake is like 60 pesos. Yeah. It's a lot of sugar. It's a lot of sugar for you. The Filipinos like sweet things sometimes. What about this? Do you drink the coconut water?
I don't know.
How much would they sell this coconut water in the province?
Maybe it's 150.
How much?
150.
So,
For the coconut water? We just have a professor spot.
what it do?
I need a refrigerator.
Fuck that. You ain't getting no fridge. I'm trying to worry about your budget. You don't want no 8K electric bill.
I know, I'm gonna have to get a cooler.
I got a little TV thing, but it don't cool.
A little styrofoam? You have one?
No, I got a little electric shit to plug in.
Oh yeah, so that should be good. Yeah, maybe check out one of those. What is the cat's name?
Maldita.
Maldita?
Yeah, Maldita Sofia.
Maldita Sofia. That's the cat's name. And it's a very friendly cat.
Yeah, super cute.
4:30 a.m. on Street, and I think it's Friday. Oh, it's actually a Wednesday. Oh, she's always bothering the rose lady. She always comes up to you and asks you if you want to buy roses. So it's very empty on the walking street right now. So it was basically a Tuesday night. This is pretty slow. So now let's take a walk down the Santos Street. See what's going on. So this is a late night Santos Street walk, guys. This street is a very famous street. They used to call it Blow Road because I guess there used to be a lot of bars on the street, but not too much anymore. Yeah, this street is pretty empty too.